I'm on the hunt for the best pizza in Massachusetts, and our journey takes us to Joe's Pizza here in Harvard Square, Cambridge. Okay. Let's check that undercarriage. Oh my goodness. Look at that cheese, bro. Joe, got me in my feelings, Joe. Look at this. I'm burning my face off. People in Massachusetts need to talk more about Joe's Pizza. I don't know how to explain this. It's cheesy and there's not a lot of cheese. I don't feel overwhelmed by the cheese. The sauce is different. It's not sweet, very savory sauce. I'm sold. Cheers. As soon as you take a bite, the tomato smacks you in the face. Come on. The pie itself is huge. I'm eating 2 pieces and I feel like I'm eating a whole pizza. On the National Dave scale, Joe's Pizza in Harvard Square, an 8.3. Not a bad score at all. Very good score. The Massachusetts scale, this is a 9.1. 9.1. It's gonna be hard to find pizza like Joe's Pizza. Make the trip, you're not gonna regret it. That's a review.